How to fix invalid boot.ini error in Windows 7. Step 1. Insert your Windows 7 CD into your CD drive and assure that your CD-ROM drive is capable of booting the CD. Set the first boot device as CD-ROM in BIOS and boot from CD. Step 2. Select Repair your computer option. Step 3. You will need to choose the different installation of Windows and then click the Next button. Step 4. Select Command Prompt option. At the command prompt, type the following commands and press Enter. Step 5. Type the following command and then press Enter. cd /attrib-h-r-s boot.ini. Step 6. Reboot the computer and check the booting. Method 2. Step 1. Boot the system to Windows recovery. Step 2. Type the following command and then press Enter. bootrec/fix boot, bootrec/fix mbr. mbr basically stands for master boot record. Then bootrec/fix boot, bootrec/scanos. And that's how it is done.